And today's repair, which is for a customer, is a TTI TCB1100. He bought it new, and then when he got it, when it arrived, he found it did about 2 watts. I think we measured it at 2.5 watts. And although he's a trade user, this is his own set. And he wants to be able to use it over the 80 channels available in the UK, the 40 UK and 40 CPT. And he also wants to be able to have a go with AM on CPT. Yeah, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
That was ready to go. I'm coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you the end of the lane. Oh, well, he called me and I didn't call him. I must have been burbling to you too much. So it's a DIN mounting set, which makes it very neat in a vehicle installation, and you can change the colour through those options. It has CTCSS available, and it looks like there's a mic compression button there. It's got Vox, and it has an S meter socket on the back. So we were able to get, I think, 3.9 watts out of it. And if you saw the tune-up video, we did that on channel 40 of CPT, so it was in the centre of the 2 bands. We could have done it on channel 1 of UK, but then I wouldn't have been able to access AM without reprogramming it for an EU setting. So that's how we did it that way.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger on that, got you at Ancaster service station. The 12 decibel Synad figure worked out at 0.49 of a microvolt, which is good, but isn't mind-blowing.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads. As you can imagine, the volume through the, is it 1 3/4 inch speaker, isn't like it would be out of the extension speaker socket on the back. So I think wherever possible, if you've got this kind of radio, anything with the front forward facing speaker in a vehicle environment, it is best to still use an extension speaker.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hills that go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. It does have some menus on it, but they're for some of the more hidden type of features like CTCSS and that, and the Vox setup menus. So the saving grace is this has knobs for channel, volume, squelch, and it has some type of auto squelch or preset squelch. And so you can actually just go to the radio and turn knobs. So I'm going to give that 9 out of 10 for that. Roger got you fine going over Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Do that, you can tell that's doing 4 watts.
Roger, good. And the microphone has got up, down, and it's got sound mute, which is useful, you know, if something else happened in the car, like you're into mobile phones or something. Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Oh, now passing the Kelby turn over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. Roger on that, got you at the Greyleys turn very well over. Roger got you going over Rorsby Level Crossing, which concludes the test, thank you. Are you going shopping tonight?
Roger.
Excellent, catch you later on then, 10:10. So he clearly heard me outside the petrol station after the Rorsby level crossing, which is great. Yeah, I mean, that's, you can't really fault that, can you? And it's got knobs on it and that. So apart from using it with an extension speaker, you know, there you are. It doesn't seamlessly do. You can set the, at the moment we've got it set for UK, so it's 40 UK channels full stop. If you set this for, I think it's EU mode, no, UE mode I think it is, it'll do the 80 channels, the 40 UK, the 40 CPT. Because these were made originally, I know they're still current, but although they were originally kind of designed about 2009, before the 2014 UK changes, allowing AM with new equipment on, new CE approved equipment on CPT, you'd have to reprogram this to EU and then lose the channels from the UK to do AM. So that's a bit clumsy, just like the Midland 78 Plus, which we use in all the vehicles is. But apart from that, it works great. And the other thing, which you can't see from the video, it does all glow in the dark. I don't know whether we can shade that enough to show that the knob surrounds here and the push buttons all glowing in whatever colour you've selected. It's probably more noticeable on blue. You can see the buttons are all lit up as well. So there you go, the TTI TCB1100. It's got a mic compression button. We'll press that when we go over to our base station right now.
Tango 21 testing the TTI TCB1100 with the factory microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I'm going to switch on mic compression. Tango 21 testing the TTI TCB1100 with mic compression into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And thank you for watching.